Us making the randomest sounds ever. What's so loud? What's that?
No, I had the best one.
I got swagger.
I had the best
Oh
one.
yeah!
I had the best one. This may hurt people's ears.
Are you done? Ow!
It did hurt Gwen's ears.
Oh my god. What? What? Here. How dare you have my bully color pencil?
What?
See ya. Bye. No. Good night. What?
Ciao.
No. What's up, people? The world.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
What's that?
That's the French alphabet.
Oh, okay. What's up? Sorry. Oh. Kakiku kekko. Mami mumedmo. And that is something that in Japanese and get away with me. No! Don't make
I have
me.
some of your fashionable ice cream out of mode.
Out of mode! Ah. Okay, I'm good. I want to embrace the spider. Like, see ya. Mwah. Bye.
Mwah.
Whatever. See you. Bye. Bye.
No.
Bye.
No.
Bye.
No.
Bye.
No.
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 No. Bye.
No.
Oh. Oh, wait. What'd you do?
Don't film your jeans.
Not. OMG. 1, 2, 3. General. What's up?
I'm
good.
That girl
Wore her jeans like me. What? I bet she's mad. Cause I look bad.
Montana's wearing my
jeans.
jeans. No, she's not. It's Jenna Rose's jeans with J.
And an R. And giant lines on the initials all across the buttocks. And they're so ugly. Celebrities would not wear them. That's the worst thing in the world. Yeah.
Anyone who wore her jeans like her would die from embarrassment.
I know. No.
Seriously.
Jenna Rose is not
Seriously.
old enough to have swagger.
Okay, seriously. Stop recording.
I don't have swagger.
Stop recording.
I'll hurt you so hard you will sing Justin Bieber. No, Justin. No punching. No punching in the merchandise.
Please stop recording.
Please.
I am leaving.
See you.
No, I'm coming with. I'm stalking you.
Run!
No, I have to put my shades on first. Run! Run! No! No! Ah! Hello.
I'm scared.
I'm getting into bed with one of you.
What? You stay away! I swear I'll hurt you.
No! Don't hurt me in the merchandise. I'm gonna get her right now.
Well, I'm a Toma, so you know what?
God.
Dumbass.
That hurts so bad.
Are you okay, Gwen?
Get the laughing.
There's a lamp. His name was Boom.
Ow.
There's a
Are
lamp.
you okay?
His name was Boom.
Please stop laughing.
Laugh!
No, stop.
Laugh harder! Laugh!
Oh my god, that hurts.
No. No.
Okay, I'm good.
I'm afraid of you all.
Yeah.
I'm afraid.
What did
I'm
I
a
do?
bit.
What did I do?
What?
No, I'm afraid of the dancing elves!
Stop recording.
My house. I'm afraid of the dancing elves! It's my house.
We're afraid of you.
Don't make me break this door again! That doesn't happen more than once.
Oh, wow. Ow. That hurt my wrist really badly as well.
Oh.
Okay, I'm good now.
Stop recording! Why?
That hurt my wrist really badly.
Stop recording! Why? Stop it! Why? No. A, B, C, no. No, Gwyneth! No! Gwen! Gwen here.
Supermodel.
No, you're doing it wrong.
I'm good
It's supermodel. Run! No. Supermodel. No, you can't get in the bathroom. That's just gay. Stop recording! You can't go into the bathroom because that's just gay.
Run.
I'm leaving.
No. Okay.
Leave me alone. going?
No. Wait, no, you can't go in the boiler room. It's not safe in there. 1, 2. He's coming for you.
No, you got it right.
No, sing song. Ah. Sing song, Caitlin.
Stop recording.
Wait, he's coming for you. 3, 4. Lock your door. 5, 6. I don't know that one. 7, 8.
Stay
No,
up,
wait. 9, 10. Never sleep again.
I heard that before.
Yeah, everyone used to
not
sing it in
that-
elementary school.
not
And
that
it's
part.
Freddy Cougar song.
They would.
What the rest?
What?
They would.
I put that in a scary suit once.
Oh.
Okay.
Not the last part, but the whole thing.
Okay. Mary had okay.
Oh.
Ow.
That is my bracelet. Which went in there?
Ow.
Are you okay?
The thing hit your arm.
Yeah. Me. Wait. In.
Mary had an axe and gave her mother 41.
Right.
And when she
Oh,
saw
and she had done. She gave her father 41. No, Guinevere! Get up! No, we were friends! Guinevere! No, Guinevere! No!
Actually, you know what? I screwed it up. It's Lizzie.
Yes. No! No, Guinevere! I thought we were friends! Guinevere!
Seriously, stop filming.
Oh, but can we do one more weird noise?
No!
Here we go. One more noise, please. No?
I'll burst your eardrums if you want.
Wait, one more noise. Make a noise, Gwen.
Ah!
Fairy tales are based off of murder stories! What? I mean, nursery rhymes are.
No one's endings are that happy in real life, Cinderella! Bye. Love you all.